Do what you want from your heart pure, and you work it through, man. Do what you want to do from your heart it pure, and you work it through. Almighty Jah go bless you, and the pagan them can't test you. Me say for do what you want to do from your heart it pure, and you work it through. Almighty Jah go bless you, and the pagan can't test you. Cause them no want to see we make it in a life. Them no want to see we go there, them a come and look for strive. Them come with gun and them a come with knife. And me see them a take life and them a take life. And them make life and them make life. Me tell them yo fi take a stop and me say yo check life. Everybody want to make it, so the trend we have to set it. We have to set it for the young youth. Tell them no take up gun, nobody go shoot. Just chat the right truth, the right truth. Put on your khaki suit, and them Gideon boat, and them Gideon boat. Just send them soldier, them come recruit. Talk the truth, me say yo. Do what you want from your heart, it clean and pure and true. And the Almighty Jah, I go bless you, I go bless you. Them can't test you. When me say do what you want from your heart, it clean and pure. Stack up and store. Give them the good vibes and them want more. Fly out and tour. Do what you want, no matter make them tell you say you can't. Me see them a come like a duppy and a ant. Go up on the microphone, sing and chant, and do the righteous move and make them know. A king show them on the floor, on the floor, on the floor, on the floor, on the floor. Jah fall the rain, the sunshine, I will see the rainbow. Me not fi tell you about the snow. Do what you want to do in a life. Make the right choice and the right move. Get in at the groove. Now have nothing for lose, now have nothing for prove, nothing for prove. Do what you want. People, watch it. I me say do what you want. Do what you want to do. From your heart it clean and you work it through. Almighty Jah, I go bless you, and the pagan them can't test you. When me say do what you want to do, from your work it clean and your heart so true. Jah, I go bless you.